Okay, we're going to go ahead and get started in session 4. And this week's topic is socialization. So essentially, socialization is the process of other people teaching us how to go about our lives in society. So think about that for a minute. Who has socialized you? Who has impacted you? Those people that may come to mind are the people who have taught you all about the world. And that teaching all about the world is socialization. There's a lot of people that help to socialize us, and we're socialized continuously. It's not just children that are learning, it's us as well. I imagine that your peer group influences you. Perhaps the people that you work around influence you. That's socialization. So I hope that you'll find this session interesting. To get started with the content, you'll need to read Chapter 3 in the Pearson-Revel text and complete the assigned textbook quizzes. Once you get done with that, you'll complete the Environment and Development Journal. And remember the tips about the journal. You are going to copy the information in between the dotted lines because that is essentially setting up the format for you to complete your journal. Click on the Start or Edit button, and in the entry box, you are going to paste what you copied. You are going to be graded on the amount of content that you provide and your grammar. So answering in complete sentences and in paragraph form is going to be required for full credit. When you give a response, your paragraph can then be highlighted, and then the color can be changed using the paintbrush tool. So make sure before you submit that you highlight your paragraph and change the color of it. That will ensure the correct formatting, and then you'll hit Save Changes to submit. The final item that you will complete for Session 4 is the Agents of Socialization writing activity. By now, hopefully, you are very familiar with how these documents work. Once you click on the link, you'll be prompted to a page that will have a few more directions for you and a link to the assignment. Once you click on the assignment link, you'll be told to make a copy in order to see the assignment. This now has created a copy for you to edit, and this copy is being held in your Google Drive. For this writing assignment, you'll need to watch the video linked in number 1 before you get started on the assignment. Be sure to answer thoroughly for full credit. This is going to talk about cultural capital and socialization of gender, as well as the impacts that certain agents of socialization have on us as individuals. And then there's a short reflection question. I hope that through this week, learning all about socialization, you'll see the importance of those people that we learn from. And I also hope that you can apply this to your own life and make sure that the people that you are influencing around you, that you're influencing them in a positive way. If you have any questions or concerns as you're completing this week's work, please feel free to reach out.